Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're just going to see how to turn off the show all pins option on your Pinterest account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to turn off your show all pins option on your Pinterest account, I just going to show in this video. For that, click on the saved option on the first and click on the profile picture on the top. After, click on the view profile option. So then you just need to click on the edit profile option. Now just scroll down to the bottom section. You can find show all pins. So people visiting your profile will able to see the collection of all pins you saved. So if you don't want to allows them to see this your pin you saved pin, just turn this off and then click on the done option. But this option only available on the normal profile, will not available on the business profile as you are on the public profile. And click done option. That's it. This is the way that you can just turn off your show all pins option on your Pinterest account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet in the next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.